To create a new folder, you'll need to open your File Explorer. You can do that by clicking the yellow folder at the bottom of your screen. This opens a window that shows you information about all the files and folders on your computer. Let's say you want to create a folder inside your Documents. To do that, you would click the Documents folder on the left-hand side of the screen. By default, you'll sometimes see it up here inside what's called Quick Access. But if you don't see it there, you'll typically see it here as well. Once you click the Documents folder, it will show you everything on the right side here that is inside that particular folder. And this is true even if you go into another folder within that folder as well. Basically, you need to navigate to where you want to create your new folder. Once you've done that, click the Home button, then click New Folder. This will create a new folder at the bottom of your list. It will already be highlighted and waiting for you to type in a new name. So you would simply give it the name that you want. When you're done, hit Enter, and that will save the name of the folder, and from there you can double click to open that folder up.